Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and today we are having a rainy day homeschool pajama day. Somebody wanted a pajama day today.
That's me.
And that's you. So we're not in the classroom today, we're in the living room. We have our Alexa playing some spa music. It's just a cloudy, relaxing day. We have stuffed animals and blankets, and right now my first grader is reading the level K reader from The Good and the Beautiful, and my kindergartner is doing this March tic-tac-toe with her Good and the Beautiful spelling words. So she had to make a shamrock and write her spelling words around. Her spelling words are, can you tell me what your spelling words are?
She, her, girl, look.
Good, that's it. Oh, I like it.
I put the eyeballs.
Oh, you put the eyeballs to remember how to spell look, right? Very good, very cute.
And then look at the perfect K.
Perfect, good job with your Ks. So she's gonna be doing her handwriting too to practice those Ks. So we get our spelling words from the Good and the Beautiful level K, and we just go through the list here and we just practice those words. We have some little activities here like time puzzles and Play-Doh. And then my son is over here making a rubber band racers. And it's a big challenge for him, isn't it, bud?
Yeah, you're doing good.
You're doing good, you're right. I can't wait to see what it's gonna do. So which one are you making?
Airplane.
An airplane? Cool, let's look at the box. Just has a bunch of, oh, here's the airplane. And a bunch of different things that you can make a helicopter. I'll try to link this in the, I don't even know where we got it, but I'll find it and I will link it in the description below for you guys. So what we're doing, our relaxing rainy day. We started off with a documentary on flamingos. And we'll see whether we're getting all of our hard work out of the way. And then we'll see where the day takes us.
We have to finish the documentary.
We have to finish the documentary, and then we'll see what else we do today. Let me see that. Wait, let me look at it. That is so cool. Want to try it in the living room, or should we go outside? I don't want to go outside. Want to go outside into the street?
You said it's better in the grass.
All right, should we go outside? All right, get your chancletas on. Yeah. You wound it up really good? You wound it up? Let's see if I can even get it. I'm going to try to go back. How about over here on this side where we have more grass? Well, there's more trees. How about over here towards that side of the house? Try it again. Oh, it's windy. Okay, we have to shoot it this way.
It said 80 to 100 times.
Are you counting?
No. Because I don't know how to count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I think it's the wind.
You think it's the wind? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we have to make sure that this is tightening enough too. Okay? We'll go look at the book and we'll see if we can figure it out. And then when it's a little less windy, we'll try it again, yeah? It's pretty windy today. Okay, so it's math time. Aaron just finished his math, Beast Academy. And right now we're back on the floor and we're doing the Good and the Beautiful level 1 and the Good and the Beautiful level K. And this big child of mine is doing Algebra 1 from Florida Virtual School. How's that going, Kaylee? It's not bad. That's a pretty good sound. Más o menos. So that's what's happening right now. Aaron just took a break to go play with some toys. So that's what's happening right now, right? Oh, you're close up. Try this way.
Hola.
Today we're gonna learn how to make 10. Or we're gonna review how to make 10. So Aaron's gonna learn how to make 10. And Sadie is learning how to graph. And it's funny because yesterday Aaron learned how to make graphs and you were practicing making 10 already, right? You were also doing doubles, right? We got to review your doubles, okay?
Adios. These are the ones I remember. Adios.
Haley's drinking coffee from a sippy cup.
Why?
Tastes better.
Alright, ready? Ready, girls?
Hola.
Come here. Hola.
Adios.
Hello, goodbye.
See ya.
Good.
Siéntate en la silla.
Fíjate.
Okay, we are wrapping up the school day and Aaron just has another thing to do. We're doing his IEW writing right now. We took a break from the good and the beautiful because I tested him in the middle of his level 4 and he tested into level 6 and that's grade 7 and 8 and I don't want to get that far with him yet. So, because he's only 9. So instead we're going to do this ancient history based writing.
Look at my hair.
And you have a necklace stuck in your hair. Come here. Okay, come here, baby. All this pretty hair. There we go. Here we go. Okay. You will do your reading when I'm done with Aaron so I can help you, okay? And then I made these lists for the kids so that they can know when they're done. Every time they're done a subject, they'll come and they'll check it off and then they'll know when they're done school and they don't have to ask me 17 times if they're done school. Right?
Yeah.
All right, let's work on that writing. In the middle of a sentence, so it says Rhodes, which is an island on the Mediterranean. See how I'm saying it different? Was part of ancient Greece. If I took this chunk out, that sentence would still make sense. Rhodes was part of ancient Greece. See that? So we go here and we said Colossus.
Violently? Or viciously?
Yeah, you could do viciously or any one of those. So what he has to do today is, I don't know if you're familiar with IEW, I'll just show you really quickly. He reads, right, for the first thing we're learning how to write from notes in the first unit. So he reads a source text and they're based on history. And I've numbered the sentences out because he has to use images to do his keyword outline that helps him to remember. And then from this, he's going to rewrite it or type it in his own words. But today, every week you learn how to dress up your paragraphs. So today he's learning how to add who which clauses to spice up his writing. And so the 2 exercises that he had was to combine the 2 sentences using a who which clause and where to put the comma. And then here he's going to add ly adverbs to spice up these 3 sentences. And then he's going to type out this, but he's going to add a who which clause and a couple of ly adverbs. And he's going to add a couple of vocabulary words, which we learned on Monday. Oh, and here are his vocabulary words. Plunge, bellow, quake, and cunningly. And the other day he looked them all up on his dictionary and he wrote out the definitions for each of the words. So see, he has to use them in his paragraph. You ready to do all of that?
Wait. What do you mean all of that?
You ready to do all of that?
Just today?
Mm-hmm. It's not really a lot. I just explained it a lot, but it's not really that much.
You said all of that though.
Well, because it's more than one thing.
2 things?
It's doing this and then writing your paragraph. Typing your paragraph.
3 things.
And you type pretty quick.
Typing the whole thing?
Yeah.
I thought that was tomorrow.
Well, tomorrow you're supposed to polish your paragraph.
It says days 2 to 4.
Yeah, but this is all from day 1. You're supposed to have written it on Monday. Let's see where we get, okay? We'll take it one thing at a time. If it's too much, then we'll do it tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, I agree. We should do tomorrow.
You agree?
Maybe on next year.
Next year.
Next
You do
year's
one
a
lesson
good
a
day.
year? Next year's a good day. So the kids are all done school except that Aaron has to read. But you know what he's really into right now? He's a little obsessed with those Yanny and Laurel videos that you see on YouTube where they play a sound and then you have to say what it is that you hear. If you hear Yanny or Laurel. Have you seen that? I'm going to take you upstairs right now. He like really wants to do this before he starts reading. I'm going to take you upstairs.
Yanny.
Turn up. What do you hear?
Yanny.
Wait, Arlen, don't say anything.
Laurel?
Oh, she hears Laurel. She hears Yanni.
It's yummy.
What do you hear, Aaron? I hear Yanni. You hear Laurel? What do you hear, Avalon? We already know.
I hear both. I hear both.
Let me see.
Now
Now I'm starting to hear Laurel.
I'm stuck on Laurel.
I hear them both at the same time. So you still hear Laurel? You still hear Laurel?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you guys hear? Post it in the comments below. She is doing school. She isn't joshing around. She really is doing the cornerstone of liberty. How's it going? It's going? It's not going. I'm going. Your room smells good. I'm just gonna, oh, I'm cooking. I forgot I was about to make my lunch and then I came upstairs. You guys got me all distracted with this Yanni Laurel thing. So anyway, I'm making myself a little lunch. The kids already ate. I'm feeling a little under the weather today, honestly. I think I'm gonna sit on the hammock and read my book. Yeah, I don't know if it's the weather or if it's other things, but I'm just gonna sit outside for a little bit in my hammock. Like I said, I read my book while the kids hang out. My first grader gets picked up in about 22 minutes, and then my kids will probably want to watch a movie, or I'll probably have them play with toys, or maybe we'll do a board game or something. Today is Wednesday, we have no sports, so it's a stay-at-home day. So, well, maybe we'll do a movie marathon or something like that. We'll see. But I'm definitely in the mood for some comfort food, so I'm making some chicken and dumplings tonight. Definitely gonna do that, chicken and dumplings. And that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was a little very relaxed school day here. Really enjoyed just having it laid back. We still got every single thing done, so it was nice not to have to be so structured and rushing. And it's 2:38 and we're done. We were done a little while ago actually. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.